Chef Young start sell whites, don't lock off the stove. Out of the kitchen and wash off your clothes. Massacre, me I say, yo, Chef Young media, you know what going on one side to the landslide, you hear that? Body no mad, you know, even I say monster enhance. As I bleach out you, I'm there to represent for, oh, Chef Young media. I'm mad this side, body, so I say, Chef Young media, them on body thing, them see them, body room.
Yo, Chef Young badder than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
Hey, I'm here to say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
The mark I represent for Chef Young.
Yeah, this is the messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media. Keeping the people educated and entertained. Music and visual. Messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa.
Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know.
London.
Listen, you know the fuck's going on. I'm trying to tell you right now. I need all camera lights out right now. I need all camera lights out fucking now. I'm telling you, Kraff God is in the fucking building. He's about to take the stage. What do you say? You want that energy? All camera lights. If you have a video light, I'll video light out right now. Video lights out right now. Camera light them all right now. Camera light them all right now. Video light them all right now. Yo, Jiggity, you ready to juggle us? I'm gonna make sure the girl that party get nice. Alright? This is not your regular party. It is called Carnival Aftershock, okay? Yeah, that's what I mean. All lights. All lights. You want them to come out, right? Party, get the girl them smoke up and right? Alright, I need all lights. Okay, we is outside, not in. Welcome to City and Team. That's what the fuck's going on, Jiggity. Give me a thumbs up in there, alright, brother? Yeah, come on, big up yourself, brother. We're outside, not in. Side tap energy, I need your lights on right now. This is not your regular artist, okay? This is one of the biggest dancehall artists in the fucking world. Alright? Ladies, gentlemen, if you're ready for Kraff God, make some fucking noise!
Holy light shine in my face so we can see she good. But for the man saying pretty me and so no. Now count to no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 'Come keep your eye. I'm a sweet star. I know. So baby, I'm sorry anytime you see me calling. I'm just one of the oh, I'm a you know me first and I suppose to keep you. I'm a sweet star. I know. So baby, I'm sorry anytime you see me calling. I'm just one of the hold on, give me a bounce, give me a bounce. Same time, Jiggity. I think it's fast. I get proud of myself. What's up, what is it? Yes, you're not pretty, or I'm not. So, simple, yes, you. I'm a jump time. That's why I'm trying out. That thing, I should have been there. Should have jumped me over that thing, but all of you, right? Say, I want to be so big. Say you love this, you know you do love this now. Me not believe in our love. Please and sing with me. Hey, hey, boy, give me please. Hey, hey, love, you're not dancing. Stop it. Tell you how to make it. Don't stop it. Let me. For your pussy tight, clear. I'm drunk, you know. I'm ready to party. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you like. I'm afraid, watch out. Tell me what you like. What did you like? You see, Chidi, I'm sick to her.
DJ Snoopy for the DJ, go DJ Snoopy. DJ Snoopy for the DJ, go DJ Snoopy. That was Kraff, you know the fuck's going on outside in the air. Same type of vibe, same type of energy, you know the fuck going on. You know down there, the plug and play from shout to the people. Snoopy, I'm gonna call that the DJ booth. Alright? Big up all of the people on the inside that came to support Kraff to team. You know the fuck's going on. We're about to shut down all the way, alright? DJ Snoopy goes to first about to put back in. I go by the name Deans, aka the Kraff favorite, really locked, really loaded. That's what the fuck's going on, alright? Big up all of the sexy girls in the building, spending their own money on the inside. You know I rate it, I see it. Ladies, if you don't have to depend on no man and ask them for $100, say yeah. You like that working girl, that movie, right? Well, Snoopy, play that play, right?
Church, no respect in all aspects, you know, the thing, the agent Saska, you know, this is Chef Young Media, see? Stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm from the voice of Alliant representing Chef Young Media. Tune in right now, don't be a pussy. Mad.